Tesla is a clear leader in the electric car business. With models that are at the top of their respective categories, it boasts the Model S, which is the quickest electric vehicle currently in production. Tesla will also release a battery-powered pickup truck and a Class 8 vehicle in the near future. Tesla, on the other hand, has an empty category, the electric van. However, that's going to change now that the Tesla van has arrived. Join us as we take a closer look at Tesla's van. While Tesla has concentrated its efforts on other vehicle categories with great success, other businesses have been developing battery-powered vans. For example, Rivian made headlines when it received an order from Amazon for 100,000 electric vans. To decrease its worldwide carbon footprint, the online retail behemoth aims to deploy the vehicles for deliveries. The arrangement, on the other hand, is unsurprising, given that Amazon is Rivian's largest investor. So Jeff Bezos is essentially transferring money from one pocket to another. Amazon has begun doing test deliveries in the United States using electric vehicles. Arrival, a British automaker, also offers an electric vehicle aimed at last-mile goods delivery. It too aims to join the trend of making every stage of package delivery environmentally friendly. It's a walk-in van that a competitor is selling in various heights and lengths. The vans will be built utilizing the microfactory idea, which will substantially minimize the capital investment and commissioning schedules. The vehicles are expected to hit the market in the third quarter of 2022. Even established automakers such as Ford and Mercedes-Benz are entering the electric van market. In November 2020, Ford announced its E-Transit electric cargo van, while Mercedes-Benz expects to begin selling a completely electric version of its Sprinter van in the United States in 2023. In January, General Motors also received intentions to introduce electrified vans. All of this, however, is insufficient to deter Tesla from entering the electric van market. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, said the condition must be fulfilled before manufacture of a Tesla van can begin. Musk tied the manufacturing of the Tesla van to the availability of battery cells during a conference call in the fourth quarter of 2020. This is reasonable, given an electric van requires a larger battery than a typical electric vehicle. Other Tesla vehicles, such as the Cybertruck and the Tesla Semi, were affected by this battery demand at the time. Now fast forward to the current day, and the scenario has changed. Tesla has made significant progress with its 4680 battery, boasting several improvements. For example, the new battery is significantly lighter and contains more active elements, resulting in better energy densities and hence a longer driving range. The battery is also safer to use and less expensive to manufacture. It's the ideal battery for a Tesla electric van. Tesla is building factories with numerous battery partners, including Panasonic and LG, to guarantee it has enough battery cells for the electric van and its other cars. However, it is also establishing its own battery factory. During this year, it chose to add a battery factory to Giga Berlin, necessitating the replication of licenses from the German authorities. Tesla expects to have Giga Berlin and Giga Texas producing 100 gigawatt-hours of batteries annually by the end of 2022. Tesla is also said to be in negotiations with BYD, a Chinese battery manufacturer, to utilize their Blade's battery cells. They are very similar to the 4680 batteries Tesla uses. The Tesla electric van will have adequate batteries in case. Tesla's electric vehicle is constructed around a structural battery. This became clear once the firm declared it would abandon the industry's traditional skateboard design. Tesla's Roadster established the skateboard-like platform, but the company has decided it's time to move on. The Model Y, manufactured by Giga Berlin, is the first car to benefit from the innovative structural batteries. Tesla's structural battery will be standard on all future automobiles. The aircraft industry practice of putting fuel tanks into the wings inspired Tesla to construct a structural battery. Tesla will manufacture a battery pack that serves as a body framework for a car, then use its notoriously powerful gigapresses to build the back and front ends of the chassis as two separate components. As a result, the battery pack acts like the vehicle's structural platform, and the battery cells aid in solidifying the platform as a single unit. Other electric car manufacturers are attempting to protect the battery, but Tesla intends to use it as a fundamental structure feature for their vehicles. The benefits are enormous, and they will aid the Tesla van. For example, this strategy drastically decreases the amount of pieces required to build a chassis. Using the automobile as an example, Tesla claims that around 400 pieces will be eliminated. This is significant since it means fewer chances for failure. There is also a significant reduction in the amount of welding and sealing required. This will also significantly shorten the production time. In comparison to competing vans, the Tesla van will also be lighter. Tesla claims that structural batteries will lower overall mass by 10%. The advantage of losing weight is that it improves your range. Tesla cars equipped with structural batteries might see a 14% boost in driving range. With all of these advantages, the Tesla van will not have a problem with range on the road. There's another fascinating element about the electric van that Musk mentioned, which we'll look at next. Solar electric vehicles, or SEVs, are a subsegment of the electric car market that you've likely heard of. When parked on the road, they are equipped with solar panels that allow them to gather energy from the sun. The Lightyear 1 from a Dutch company is an example. This model is high-end, costing approximately $165,000, but it has a tremendous 450-mile range on a single charge. The solar panels placed on the roof and hood will also allow you to add roughly 7.5 miles per hour. The Lightyear 1 solar panels are among the most efficient in the industry. The Tesla van will be an SEV vehicle, but before we get into specifics, would adding solar panels to the vehicle make it too expensive? Not really, because SEVs don't have to be extremely expensive. Just have a look at what Sono, a German-based green business, is working on. Before incentives, the Scion City car sells for €28,500 or about $31,000. On a bright day, the solar cells implanted in the car's body may contribute up to 22 miles of driving range. So, how did the solar panels on the Tesla van appear? On the Joe Rogan podcast, Musk discusses it. Obviously, the Tesla design team considered incorporating solar panels into their vehicles. Tesla has a solar panel manufacturing factory near Buffalo, so this is a no-brainer. Musk, on the other hand, told Rogan that it had not been worth it. Solar panels on any of Tesla's currently available vehicles will increase the cost of the car considerably, while not providing enough value to consumers to pay for the feature. The problem is that most passenger vehicles don't have enough surface area, nor are they driven in the right environment to make solar panel installation a viable option for extending our driving range. Some have tried this in the past with DIY efforts, but the results haven't been impressive enough to support it as a Tesla option. A van, on the other hand, is a different circumstance since a huge van will have a greater surface area to accommodate more solar panels, making the energy produced worthwhile. Now, with a van, since you have a large, flat space, solar would start to make sense. Because you have so many locations, you could also have a roof that is solar, and then when it is stationary, the roof goes out and offers shade, potentially doubling or tripling your space. You've increased the area by 3 times and now have a large, flat surface. You may even start charging to the point where you receive 30 miles each day. Some drivers do not traverse that much distance every day, but Musk's estimate of 30 miles per day might mean you don't have to plug in to charge the battery for days at a time. Now let's look at some of the Tesla van's applications. Tesla highlighted the van at a recent meeting with his team, saying it would carry big groups of people at once. This will fit well with Musk's proposal to develop subterranean tunnels where autonomous cars may travel about at a faster rate. The Boring Company has been testing Tesla cars at the Las Vegas Convention Center, but the Tesla van is a better match for the task. Musk also teased that the Tesla van will be accessible to the disabled. While few electric vehicles do, the Tesla van will incorporate features that make entry and exit simple for those with impairments. So, what do you think of Tesla's electric van? Let us know your thoughts on the topic in the comment section below, and a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel. There's a link down below for more Tesla news and conjecture. If you want to learn more about Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon Musk, we have 2 more video alternatives for you to watch on the screen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more weekly news like this.